Good to see you again and to know that you're still hanging on with us with ASLA's How to Participate in a Twitter Chat Session video series. We are now on step 7. We are becoming pros now at Twitter. Twitter chat like the pros, how to add a link to your tweet. So let's come in here. We are already logged into our Twitter account. We have already typed in hashtag ASLA chat and clicked search so that we are looking only at messages from people participating in the ASLA chat. We learned in session 6 how to add an original tweet, and we're going to do this again. But this time, notice here we have try this Google Doc, and there's a link here. So I can click on that link, and that's going to pull up, this is a really cool thing, and I'm glad I pulled this one up. Who to follow on Twitter. This is a Google Doc going around right now where you can actually add your name to this under whatever category, or your teacher's names, whatever category, and here's our librarians, and you can find some really great people to follow here. And there's where I put my name in as a follow, but there's other fantastic people like Shannon Miller I would highly recommend. There's our own Michelle Wilson of ASLA. I would definitely follow Joyce Valenza, DM McCordle, Devin Black is also another great one. There's just so many. There's our own Carolyn Starkey, but that's getting off track. So that's what those are. So when you see that, that's a link that you can click on, and it just takes you to a website or a photo or something else that you can easily link to that has a URL. Okay? So now what we want to do is add our own link, not just open up somebody else's link, but let's say we've got a really cool site that we think would add to this conversation that we're having in ASLA chat. For instance, ASLA's chat on August 2nd, 2011 is about professional development. And let's say that I know a really good site about this. So I will say, check out this, and remember we only have 140 characters. Might want to say great, and notice how I'm abbreviating site on PD. And now I want to bring up another tab. I'm going to go into Google, and just because I know and I love Cyberyman so much, and I know that Cyberyman will have something on professional development, because literally he has something on everything. So here's Cyberyman's professional development page. I don't even like to use Google anymore when I'm looking for something in education. I usually go straight to Cyberyman and type in what I'm searching for. And each one of these things are links, tutorials, and all kinds of other things here, all about professional development. And so this is really great because in Educate Alabama, librarians, to be innovative, need to be providing professional development to their teacher. So we're going to go to the address bar, and we're just going to copy that URL. And now we will simply go into our message where we say great site on PD, and we will paste that. Now remember, we don't want to click tweet yet. Remember, if we click tweet right now, no one will see this message. We still need to come back in here and do hashtag ASLA chat, because that's the chat session we are participating in right now. It will automatically shorten our link for us, which is really nice. And now we just say tweet. And if we refresh this page, and hit all, you see right here, there's what we just tweeted 11 seconds ago.